Hi, I am Dr. Gopal Purohit, CEO and co-founder of Heredity Biosciences. We are ISO certified company and we are providing for the training and services of life sciences students and we are building for the career of the students. हम यहाँ पे career build-up के लिए training दे रहे हैं. That is only one institute of the Odisha that we are providing for the complete hands-on procedure. We are giving for the one-to-one training of the students. The students, they don't know about that instrument handling and all this exposure of this laboratory. So that's why we are planning for the experimental to the students. When I am starting for this my career of PhD, I saw so many students, they have a lack of exposure of the hands-on training. So the purpose of this institute is to build up this laboratory is to that we are given for the complete hands-on. Our motto, my team motto is to given for the complete hands-on to the students. The students should be well expert into the training. That's to build up the career. When he or she will be moving to the any of this industrial sector or clinical sector, they should proper confident to the experimental knowledge so that we are preparing for the laboratory. We have a well-equipped instruments, microbiological instruments, molecular biology instruments, and we have a complete exposure of the molecular biology training, so included for the gene expression analysis, PCRs, real-time PCR based methods, cloning also we are providing. And the students, all the students are doing for this one-to-one hands-on experiments.